Productive girl things to do to avoid scrolling on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about some super fun and productive things you can do to avoid getting lost in endless scrolling on your phone. We all know how easy it is to get sucked into our screens, finding ourselves scrolling over and over to our phone, opening different social media applications, and we don't realize that it's taking too much of our time. But doing this too much can have a negative effects on our health and even our appearance. But there are so many awesome activities out there that can help you stay engaged, creative, and even a bit more productive. Creative activities. DIY friendship bracelets. Make colorful bracelets using embroidery floss. These make great gifts and are fun to create with different patterns. Supplies. Embroidery floss, scissors, tape. DIY scrunchies. Make your own cute scrunchies using colorful fabrics. They are easy to make and perfect for accessorizing your hair or giving as gifts to friends. Supplies. Fabric, elastic bands, needle and thread or sewing machine. Handmade cards. Create adorable handmade cards for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Use stickers, stamps, and colorful markers to design unique and personal cards. Supplies. Cardstock, markers, stickers, stamps, glue. Knitting cute items. Knit scarves, hats, or small stuffed animals. It's a cozy activity that produces adorable handmade items. Supplies. Knitting needles, yarn, patterns. Making mini terrariums. Create mini terrariums using small plants, moss, and decorative items. They make cute and low-maintenance decorations for your room. Supplies. Small glass containers, soil, small plants, decorative stones. Bullet journaling. Organize your life and express creativity by designing personalized journal pages for tracking habits, goals, and memories. Supplies. Journal, pens, markers, stickers. Watercolor painting. Explore watercolor techniques to create beautiful paintings. Start with simple landscapes or abstract designs. Supplies. Watercolor paints, brushes, watercolor paper. Origami. Learn the art of paper folding to create cute origami animals, flowers, and other shapes. It's a relaxing and satisfying activity. Supplies. Origami paper or any square paper. Painting rocks. Collect smooth rocks and paint them with fun designs, like animals, flowers, or inspirational words. Supplies. Smooth rocks, acrylic paint, brushes, outdoor activities. Flower picking and arranging. Go for a walk and pick some wildflowers. Arrange them in a vase to bring a touch of nature and beauty into your room. Supplies. Basket or bag for flowers. Vase. Picnic in the park. Pack a cute picnic with sandwiches, fruit, and lemonade. Enjoy a relaxing afternoon in the park with a good book or some music. Supplies. Picnic blanket. Basket with food and drinks. Stargazing. On a clear night, lay out a blanket in your backyard and watch the stars. Learn to identify constellations and enjoy the peaceful night sky. Supplies. Blanket. Star map, optional. Nature scavenger hunt. Make a list of items to find in nature, such as different leaves or flowers, and go on a hunt. Supplies. List of items, bag for collecting. Social activities. Tea party with friends. Host a charming tea party with your friends. Set the table with pretty teacups. Serve finger sandwiches, cookies, and tea. Dress up in cute outfits for extra fun. Supplies. Teacups, teapot, finger foods, tea. Photo shoot. Have a fun photo shoot with friends. Choose a theme. Dress up in cute outfits and take lots of pictures. It's a great way to make memories and boost your creativity. Supplies. Camera or smartphone, props, cute outfits. Organize a virtual game night. Host a game night with friends using video calling apps and play online games or board games. Supplies. Video calling app, online games or board games. Host a virtual cooking class with friends. Choose a recipe and cook together via video call. Share tips and enjoy a delicious meal at the end. Supplies. Ingredients for chosen recipe. Cooking utensils, video calling app. Learning activities. Learning to play an instrument. Pick up a new instrument like the ukulele. which is small and easy to learn. There are plenty of online tutorials to help you get started. Supplies: ukulele or another instrument. Online tutorials. Baking cute treats. Bake and decorate cute treats like cupcakes, cookies, or cake pops. Use colorful icing and sprinkles to make them extra adorable. Supplies: baking ingredients, icing, sprinkles, baking tools. Basic photography. Learn photography basics like composition and lighting. Practice by taking photos of different subjects. Supplies: camera or smartphone, subjects to photograph, hand lettering. Practice hand lettering to create beautiful quotes and phrases. Use different styles and colors. Supplies: brush pens, paper, online tutorials, fitness activities, dance workouts. Follow along with dance workout videos that combine fun dance moves with exercise. It's a great way to stay fit while having fun. Supplies: comfortable workout clothes, space to move, dance workout videos. Hula hooping. Learn and practice hula hooping. It's a playful and effective way to improve your fitness and coordination. Supplies: hula hoop, open space, yoga for beginners. Practice yoga to improve flexibility, strength, and relaxation. Follow beginner yoga videos. Supplies: yoga mat, comfortable clothing. Nature walks with a twist. Go for a nature walk and take pictures of cute things you find, like flowers, animals, or interesting plants. Create a little nature diary with your findings. Supplies: camera or smartphone, notebook, pen, entertainment. Crafting a fairy garden. Create a miniature fairy garden using small plants, tiny fairy houses, and decorative items. It's a whimsical and creative project. Supplies: small plants, miniature fairy items, container or garden space. DIY spa day. Pamper yourself with a DIY spa day. Make homemade face masks, soak your feet, and enjoy a relaxing bath with candles and soft music. Supplies: ingredients for face masks, bath products, candles. Reading cute books. Find and read books with cute and heartwarming stories. Curl up in a cozy spot with a blanket and enjoy a good read. Supplies: books, blanket, comfy spot. Remember, these activities are sure to keep you entertained and productive, helping you avoid unnecessary phone use while having fun.